how to change your age on YouTube. So hello guys, if you want to change your age on YouTube, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For that we will simply open a YouTube app in your mobile. Once you open it, you guys will see on down the right side, small profile pictures embedded. Click here. Once you click here, you guys will see switch account, Google account. Simply click on Google account. Once you click here, you guys will open that to a channel account. So here you guys will scroll. Now here you guys will see personal info, security and sign in and other things. But simply click on personal info. Once you click on personal info, you guys will see profile picture, name, birthday. So simply click on birthday. Once you click here, you need to wait for some seconds. After that, you guys can see birthday and also arrow system, but you click on arrow. Once you click on arrow, you need to wait for some seconds. Here we go. Here you guys can update your birthday, and once you update it, after that, click on save. Thanks for watching.